Hi there, and today we're going to have a Monday.com chart widget tutorial. So using the chart widget is a useful tool to visualize your data, and it is fairly easy to use. So I'm here in my Monday.com workspace, and in order to have like a chart widget right here, you can just click this option right here, the main table. So click on it, and then we can click on add view. Then from here we will just select chart, and then there we have our chart widget already created. So you can edit your chart in different ways. So you can just click on the more options, the three dots icon right here, and then click on settings, and then you can change your chart type to different types. So for example, right now we are using a bar chart. You can also change this to a pie chart, to a line chart, to a stack bar chart, or to bubbles. So it depends on your preference. So for example, I'll select the bar chart, and then we'll change our data. So the data or the chart is not found because we need to edit our data right here. So for example, I will choose this budget data or the budget column. Then for the y-axis, I'll include here the budget. And then you can also change the calculation if you want. And then from here, we can change if you want to use the other item right here, like the count items, but I'll just use the budget. So for customize, you can customize your labels if you want to change their colors. So for example, for the $100, maybe you can change it to violet. Then for the 500, you can change it to yellow, and then for the 1000, you can change it to red. So you have a different options right here to design your chart. And then you can also have like a benchmark line if you want to have a benchmark line. So for example, I'll add like a benchmark line right here around 250, and then as you can see, the benchmark line is created right here. And then you can also change its color by choosing colors right here. But I'll just select this black one. Then for the groups, you can choose if you want this chart to be included in the different groups, and then choose which columns to show. And that's it. That is how we use the chart widget in Monday.com. Another way, instead of having your chart widget right here in your board, you can just use it in the dashboard. And then from here, you can just click on add widget, click on chart, and then there will be automatically a chart right here, the chart widget. And then you can just go ahead and do the same steps if you want to edit your chart. And then, for example, I'll change the values into budget, and then that is it. That is how we use the chart widget in Monday.com. I hope you learned how to use it, and thank you for watching.